Was that the name of their farm? Buckler? Because we just blew by the sign. There was a sign that said Buckler Farms. Oh, I love that place. Isn't that place pretty? Oh, wow. And they got that nice building. Oh, yeah. We are going so fast, Daryl. Slow down.
Yeah, through the magical forest.
I mean, this is like...
Are you excited, Denise?
No.
Who are you talking to? You're not talking to anyone. Put the phone down.
There's some more over here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't run over one, Daryl.
All right, I see it's going to open up here soon.
Hi, chickens. Wow, it's really pretty.
Look at that.
Uh-huh. There's nobody down there. Beehives. Big red barn. Buckler Farms, see? I told you that was the sign.
That's where we pay for, look, this is all lines down here.
Oh, that's full of...
Now, will we see anybody?
You pick.
Going up to the house.
You pick. So do you cut the clusters off?
No, I just pick one at a time.
One at a time? That could take forever. No, I brought my clippers.
They're big. They pull right off.
Hey everybody, Kay here from Late Bloomer Homestead. We are out muscadine picking today with Daryl and his mom Jo and my pal Denise. Our pal Denise. No, she's just my friend. She's not his friend, just my friend. No. And we're gonna have a great time. There are 4 varieties of muscadines here. They're huge, huge, big, fat, hard.
Yeah, they're still a little on the green side.
Right.
You gotta look for the brown
Big,
ones.
fat, hard grapes.
Some of
I
them
can't
are
even
ripe.
squeeze that.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, they're supposed to be good. We're gonna have a lot of fun, so stick around.
See how that feels? That's more what you're after.
Ooh, that's a good one.
You like that?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay, well you can go wait in the truck.
It's really different.
Yep.
Wow.
It's hot.
Daryl has a surprise gift for me. I don't know what it is, so this may or may not make it into the video.
Oh, you're gonna delete this?
You should stand up.
Get it over there.
No,
Stand up
I-
for this too.
Look, you're off camera. You gotta get over it. There
All
you
right,
go.
all right. You got to stand back there and close your eyes, because I'm going to share it with the audience before you get to see it.
We're right in front of Joe.
All right. Well, that's just temporarily. Okay. Now
Okay.
I found this, and as soon as I saw it, it was screaming Kaye Kittrell, and I think you all might agree.
Is the little square focused on it?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes. It's looking good. I'm going to move in closer even.
I
Okay.
think she
Open
should
your
wear it
eyes.
now.
Oh golly.
Is that not a Kaye
Look
shirt?
how cute.
I mean, come on.
Oh, you look adorable in it. You should wear it right now, Kay.
Ooh, it's gonna be hot, but okay.
Look,
It's gonna be hot to have on 2
look how
t-shirts.
cute you look.
We're still rolling, Denise.
Oh, hi.
Here, you want
Can
Okay.
you see yourself?
I'm
there?
trying
Yeah.
to love it.
to...
What do you think?
It's cute.
Oh, you can't see the cats. Okay.
Oh, yes, you can.
Okay. How many are there? There's too many for I only have 5 at home, so.
I know, but it does like fit
Thank you.
perfect.
All right, we're gonna get back to picking. I guess it's just gonna be one at a time because they're not all ripe. It's early, right? We came early.
I don't know. Check some of these other rows that are the darker colored ones. They might be
Okay.
really loaded with ripe ones.
Okay.
I can't hear you over the sheet. I did. Okay.
Wouldn't you love some sheep?
I wonder what kind of sheep those are.
I don't think they like being photographed.
he ran them off.
I'm taking a cluster just to see if they ripen up at home.
Yeah, I'm coming back.
That was not very sweet. That was kind of good. I mean, they're going to ripen up a little bit. You know when you buy grapes in the store. Maybe it wasn't us. Maybe he called them to eat.
Oh boy. You also forgot to bring your sunglasses. Fortunately, you didn't need them.
No, I got them on.
Oh, you got them?
I've never picked grapes before. I don't know. You know. I mean, some are ripe and some are not.
I'm taking one from that.
The whole cluster is not ripe at the same time.
I'm gonna go for the Oh, some tissues, yeah.
There you go. Are they big?
They've got to be the same as these because he said there are only 4 varieties.
No, he listed like 6 or 7 when he was talking to me.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
These little ones seem to be more ripe than the big ones.
Yep.
You want to come and try these?
Yeah, I want to see if these are. Oh, they're bigger.
I bet somebody was out here picking.
I like red grapes from the store.
Oh, you like to buy your fruit at Walmart.
Organic. Well, the organic ones.
That's the best one yet.
Yeah, they're good.
That is good.
Yep.
But they're... Did you get them all?
Now keep going up the road. There'll be more. Just keep cruising up the road.
Daryl, come here.
Yeah, what you got?
Well, I mean, there's a lot.
I like the other ones better.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, this has the dark blue ones.
Check it out.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they're kind of hiding under there, aren't they?
Yeah, you can see them a lot better on this side because the leaves are all kind of.
Facing the sun?
Yeah,
Tell me you don't have ground ivy.
I do.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's coming from my woods. I don't know if it's coming from the hay or what.
You don't think Daryl sent you a plant over there that you got it from his
No.
plant? Every time I go over there, I just think, ugh, do not bring this back. I've got enough problems.
I'm going to take some of these purple ones over to Jo and see if she likes them.
Okay. Is sweat pouring down your back?
Pouring down my face.
Your face. Good.
I know.
See, I dropped the good one there.
Daryl said, it's not humid.
What do you mean for a while?
I think I'm done.
You're gonna go to the cafe and have a tea, or?
I'm back. Oh, God. Look at all these. Daryl, you should be over here. You just grab a handful and they go right in.
I guess once the vines are established, it's not that much work.
Yeah, just pruning every year, you know.
Yeah. But why don't the birds eat these? They're not covered.
Right. I don't know.
Squirrels?
Hey, Daryl, come over on this side. Look,
I'm doing real good right here.
yeah, but these are all the...
Which one are you getting?
Small, dark one.
Is it the same as this one?
I don't know. Am I good?
I would turn. Start turning.
Yeah, I am. I got it now. I got it right in the center. Everything's good.
Backseat driver. I'm not going to say a word. If we go into the ditch, it's not my fault.
Sure.
I would cut. Cut
Only a
hard.
backseat driver would say something like that.
Cut harder. Faster. Go.
God.
See how good that worked?
But you see, this was what was my concern when I was looking for property, is like the creek runs right in front of the farmhouse.
Yeah.
So if it floods, which it will,
Yep.
which it does, then you're stuck.
Maybe so, yep.
Yep.
Or the bridge washes away and you got to get it rebuilt.
Yeah.
Yep.
I should have gotten a picture of the sign, Daryl. You pick muscadines. Maybe it's up here.
Yeah, I think there's another one up here.
Okay, good. Okay, so did you
Look
have
at all
fun?
the sheep. Yeah, look at the sheep. I
go,
made the
Liz.
sheep run. They felt
Joe, did you have fun?
threatened.
I did.
Okay, Daryl,
Yeah.
you had fun?
Yeah, got lots of good stuff.
Hey, Denise, are you taking a picture? I'm going to take a picture. This is Buckler Farms, owned by Carl and Barbara Buckler, and he's awesome. 8 varieties starting September 15th, so they just got started. We'll be back. No, you can't take a picture of my backside.
Life is better in the country.
Well, these are kind of mixed together. I could just do... Where'd you see that?
My shirt.
Oh. I don't know why I didn't notice that before.
Did you throw that cat shirt away already?
I noticed something was... Are you done tallying?
I'm done.
Okay.
Did you throw your cat shirt away already?
No, where is it?
I don't know.
It was on the basket.
It's in the car.
Is there more berries in that basket in the car?
I brought it out.
Oh, you took the shirt out. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, that's... Okay. 3 pounds. Is that all? It feels like more. Okay.
And you weighed the bucket? You're subtracting anything, or?
No, but I don't know why I can't just do it like that.
Yeah, you could. Yeah. Because you need to subtract the bucket weight on that one, or you'll be paying for a bucket. Yeah.
There you go. That's a good idea.
Just hold it out away from the hay bale now, so it doesn't touch. Let's see, 5 pounds.
Are you sure? That feels like more.
No, you still have this too.
Still got that?
No, I know. You know.
I have a,
Yeah, just weigh a empty basket now. So you know what to subtract.
Well, that's true.
You could just weigh it.
Here's a bag, Kaye.
That's okay. I'll take that one home in the basket.
Okay.
Is it touching the hay bale?
No.
What is it, like a half pound or something? Yeah. That's what.
And I'm paying a little. I did a little more for that one. So.
How many people does it take to weigh a pound? How many of us?
Uh-oh. So you got away from the hay. You got. Looks like three. Looks like 3.5. So we can just. That's a little more than that. Yeah, it's 3.25. That's kind of the weight of your basket, really is. Yeah, so just say 3 pounds.
So 3 and 7.
Are there any in there?
7, 10
That's
pounds.
Daryl's, right?
So you tell them how you like the experience of the pick your own.
I love it. I mean, my belly is full. Okay. I'm taking some home, but I'm also taking some home here.
Okay. And Denise.
I really enjoyed picking, but I'd rather have just a bottle of wine.
And it was my first experience picking my own grapes, and the first ones we had I didn't love. The skin is they're really big and the skin is tough. You just get the juice and spit out the seeds. I
eat this peeling.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, even the tough one?
Yeah, chew it up.
I did
Okay.
that too,
Okay, it's
yeah.
probably good for you.
I just get rid of the seeds,
Yeah.
chew the rest.
Yeah, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to you subscribing to my channel, Late Bloomer, and come back for more exploits of the Three Musketeers.
Picking muscadines.
Muscadine. Thanks so much, everybody. I hope we brought a little joy to your day. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
You know I'm going to edit this, so if I don't approve of it,
Whatever.
Anybody got
It's your
a paper
video.
to wipe
I bet you'll love it so much you'll put it on right
I
now.
need to wipe my nose and I don't have a paper with me.
Oh man, here's a leaf, man. Try it out. Come on, city chick, try it out.